One small flower a day will surprise you and you will thank me. Cloves are a popular spice that have been used in cooking and traditional medicine for centuries. They come from the flower buds of the clove tree, which is native to Indonesia. Cloves are full of antioxidants, which can help protect your body from oxidative stress and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. One of the main active compounds in cloves is eugenol, which has been shown to have anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties. This makes cloves useful for reducing pain and inflammation, especially in conditions like arthritis. Cloves are also beneficial for digestion, as they can stimulate the production of digestive enzymes and help relieve digestive issues like bloating and constipation. They may also help regulate blood sugar levels, which is important for people with diabetes. In addition, cloves have been shown to have antimicrobial properties, which can help fight off infections and boost your immune system. They may also have anti-cancer effects, as studies have shown that eugenol can inhibit the growth of certain cancer cells. Cloves have also been found to improve liver health by increasing antioxidant enzyme levels and reducing oxidative stress. They may also help improve bone density and reduce the risk of osteoporosis. Cloves may also promote better liver function. Some trials have shown that the eugenol found in cloves can help reduce signs of liver cirrhosis and fatty liver disease. It may also improve general liver function. Cloves are a versatile spice that can be added to a variety of dishes to enhance their flavor and provide numerous health benefits. Cloves are dried flowers, so they can be found all year long in spice shops, grocery stores, and health food stores nationwide. You can also make clove tea if you're interested in getting a stronger dose of cloves. Grind a tablespoon of whole cloves. Steep the powder in boiling water for 3 or 4 minutes. Strain the spice out and you'll be left with a rich spicy tea that's perfect for winter months. Here are some other ways to use this flavorful spice. Add ground cloves to pumpkin pie. Add cloves to chai lattes. Use whole cloves in a pickling mix for spicy pickles. Include cloves as an essential spice in curry. Make mulled wine with a heavy sprinkle of cloves. Use cloves in rubs to season meats. Whether you're looking to reduce inflammation, improve digestion, boost your immune system, improve liver health, or improve bone density, cloves are a great addition to your diet. Try incorporating them into your meals and experience the benefits for yourself. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness content. See you in the next video.